March 6th, 2024. How's it going, guys? What are we going to talk about? Kansas City, Independence, Missouri. We're going to talk about crime. Going to talk about drugs. Going to talk about the homeless. And we got sirens going off all over the city tonight. And I'm just going to show that real quick. We've had more sirens over here in Independence since I've been back. Been going for probably 10, 15 minutes. They got a chopper up in the air flying overhead. But coming back from north, the river up there, there was Kansas City, Missouri police vehicle that was traveling, moving on, going, I guess, to probably another call, I'm sure. It was going, basically, it had been a southbound, got off 23rd Street, and it was heading more like towards downtown in that area, off 23rd Street. Then I get up here at Sterling, here at 23rd Street in Sterling, and we got AMR coming. It'd be eastward bound, east, and then turning north. So we're going to show that real quick, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, we're heading southbound, heading towards 23rd Street here. There goes Kansas City, Missouri right there. And they're going to get off on 23rd Street. That's where we're getting off at here. He was moving on. See, he's heading back down towards the city. And hold on. Okay, guys, and here comes AMR. It's down here at Sterling and 23rd Street. And they were heading north. Okay, guys, I'm going to play something real quick, let you see if you can hear this. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm back. I wanted you to hear that because that was the sirens. Like I said, it's been going on for a while outside here. But what's really something, I want to show you guys this too. When I stopped this, guess what it's setting at? 11:11. Let's see if you guys see this. See if you guys can see this or not, if they can focus in on this. Look to the right-hand corner. See where it says 11:11? You can't make this stuff up, guys. Anyway, like I say, we got sirens going off all over here in Kansas City tonight, in Independence, Missouri, and all over. Anyway, keep your eyes open and have a good one.